Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Valley News Live at 10. Here's a live look in on our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam near Hankinson, North Dakota. There's some snow mixing in with that rain. You can see in the glow of the lights there, and that's been the case in parts of the Southern Valley in the higher elevations down towards the Sisseton Hills, and then up into parts of Lakes Country as well, between Fergus Falls and up into Bemidji. In the higher elevations, we're seeing some of that changeover into some snow. So let's get you through your hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of tonight before we dive into that midweek storm system. We're going to see some areas of cloud cover and temperatures tonight mostly remaining in the 30s. Can't rule out a few more showers as we head into tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. Even though we won't be warm during peak heating with a little bit of instability, we could see a few rumbles of thunder in our far southernmost counties later in the day, and that exits as we head into Monday evening. Here's a look at snowfall potential for tonight. By tomorrow morning, we could see some areas of 1 to 2 inches of snow, 2 to 3 in this medium shade blue here. So just south of Bemidji could see a little bit of accumulation by tomorrow morning and maybe some slick spots. We have a lot more snow in the forecast Wednesday through Thursday, even though the storm system will be starting up Tuesday. There is a winter storm watch that begins Tuesday evening, continuing through Friday morning. Anywhere in the yellow shaded boxes, 8 or more inches of snow is looking likely, in addition to gusts up to 50 miles per hour, so we cannot rule out blizzard conditions. Here's what we know. We're looking at significant wet and heavy snow. We're going to see potentially a wide area across the state of 18 to 24 inches of snow. Those strong gusts that can lead to blizzard potential, very difficult or impossible travel, so it's time to make plans now to either alter or cancel your travel plans. Be prepared for power outages. This is going to be a heavy wet snow accumulating on trees, on power lines, and that can lead to outages. Also prepare now for closures, road closures, school closures, maybe even business closures. And it is spring newborn calf season, newborn livestock season. Find shelter for them if at all possible. Let's time the storm out for you. This is by Tuesday morning. Significant heavier snow starting out in western North Dakota first, with rain moving into parts of the Southern Valley through the day Tuesday. By Tuesday, the best potential to see snow across the region, across the valley, I should say, is in the Devil's Lake Basin and across northern Red River Valley. Then we start to see that transition as we head into Wednesday, starting out with some rain again in much of Minnesota and the Southern Valley. We're hoping for a dry slot. This is going to help reduce some of the accumulation totals in the Southern Valley, but we're not done yet. That's going to wrap around. This is now by Thursday morning, wrap around snow, and the wind is going to continue. These white lines, these are called isobars, and the closer they are together, the stronger the winds. The areas shaded in pink have the best potential to see between 12 and 18 inches of snow, but there will likely be some pockets of up to 2 feet of snow. The question is where that sets up. There's a big question mark right here for Grand Forks, Fargo. We're right on the edge between a couple of inches of snow and double-digit inches of snow. So this track is still likely to shift. We're still multiple days out. We're talking through Friday, so be sure to tune back in for the latest forecast updates. So these are some snow potential questions that we have. The exact track of that low, whether or not we see that dry slot, and where those highest amounts set up. Let's tie things up now in your 7-day forecast. The warmest day is going to be tomorrow. The rest of the week looking pretty chilly. We're talking 30s. For Wednesday and Thursday, your first alert weather days, and we're still cool into the weekend with additional chances for some snow.
It's gonna be a long week, Summer.
We can do it, just gotta be positive.
Yeah, we did it all winter, but we were just hoping for something else.
You brought your own sunshine.
Oh, I did.
I love it.
I tried. All right, thanks so much, Summer. Coming up, a young